Hi all, welcome back. Today, let's discuss on the types of stock analysis. So basically, stock analysis is a method where investors or traders will use to make the decisions whether to buy or sell the stock of a company. And there are two types of analysis. Like one is fundamental analysis, and another one is technical analysis. So here, if any investor or a trader wants to have a fundamental analysis of a company, what he will do is he will go through the financial statements of the company. So every company, publicly traded company, will release the quarterly performance report for every 3 months and annual performance report for every year. So in each report, every company will provide the financial statements of the company, which include balance sheet, uh, income sheet, or cash flow sheet. So every company releases a quarterly report or annual report along with the financial statements, and the company growth plans, growth plan, economy information. So investor who wants to go with the fundamental analysis, what he will try to do, he will go through all these statements that are given by the company, and also he will go through the macro information like economic information or any policies by government, any government policies or RBI policies, what all other out of company information which is related to the company performance. So with this information, he will try to measure the profitability of the company, liquidity of the company, efficiency of the company, and growth trajectory, how it is growing, etc., etc. So basically, what he is doing here, he is trying to analyze the company uh, standpoint at the moment. So where the company is standing, what is the depth it has, how much reserves it has, what is the market share of a company. For example, if I take Tata Motors, so Tata Motors uh, is selling a car, newly released car, Altos. Okay, for example, let us say Altos. So what an investor do here is he will try to measure how many Altos cars are selling compared to other cars. So Maruti is selling Swift cars and Tata Motors is selling Altos. So he will try to check how many cars are being sold in a year compared to other company cars, like that market share. So totally he will try to come up with a measures of the company, so profitability measures, liquidity measures, and everything. So once he get all the information or all the analysis done on the company performances, he will try to compare the measures with the previous year measures of the same company. So he will try to check last year what are the performance given by the company and he compared with the existing now current year performance, and you will see if it is a growing or growing or coming down. Also, he will compare with the other companies in the same sector. So with this, what he's trying to do is he will compare with the other companies in the same sector. So we will see whether the growth of the company in the analysis is beating the market or not, is have a competitive, is quasi competing with other companies or not, like that. So this all comes under fundamental analysis. So whereas what is a technical analysis? Technical analyst will go through the price action alone. He will compare the past and present price movement of the stock, and he basically don't go any of the fundamental information. He just wants to be on the charts of the stock. So he will go with the chart patterns, support levels or resistance level. So everything will be on the price action. All the analysis the technical analyst will do on the price action. So how the price is moving in a day, and based on that, we will come up with the decision whether the buyers are interested or the sellers are interested. Based on that, he will take the decision. So this is a technical analysis where uh, investor or traders will use. But in what scenario we have to go with fundamental analysis, in what scenario we have to go with technical analysis? Generally, every time if we have both the analysis in hand, it will be very helpful for the decision making, because sometimes even any company, if it is fundamentally strong compared to other companies in the same sector, but if it is technically weak, that means though it is a fundamentally strong, it has a good growth trajectory, it has a upcoming good plans, but if the price is at a resistance level in the technical analysis, so there will be a chances of selling, which makes the price go down. So an investor should always try to include both the analysis, fundamental analysis and also technical analysis. So fundamental analysis tells which company to buy, and technical analysis will tell when to buy and when to sell. So that's the reason nothing is more or less, both are equal. So better to have both the analysis before taking any decision of buying or selling the stock. And if any investor or a trader have a short term perspective of investment, like if he's planning for 1 week or 1 month of the investment plan, then in that case we can prefer a technical analysis, because technical analysis can help us to predict the price action for at least 1 week or 1 month, or 3 months, up to maximum 3 months, I think. So we can analyze the technical perspective, and he can take the decisions. And if any investor or trader have the long-term view of investing for more than 10 years or 20 years, they should follow the fundamental analysis, mainly because expecting a company to perform such a long duration it should be fundamentally strong. So it should have a good products, it should have a good customer base, it should have a good plan, good growing strategy. So fundamentally strong companies can sustain for longer durations. So whoever wants to have a longer long-term investment or a long-term plans on the investment, he can mainly prefer the financial fundamental analysis of the company. I hope this video helped you, and let me know if you want to have any specific topics to be explained. Kindly let me know in the comment section. I will make sure that I will give you a clear explanation in the next video. Thank you. Thank you so much again for watching this video. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.